Hey guys, Ariel here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a very detailed beginner's eyebrow tutorial. You're gonna require a razor, a pencil, concealer brush, and eyebrow brush. Use gel wax or soap to soften the hairs. I'm using a spoolie to brush the eyebrows. You can also use a brush. Now using a pencil, I'm outlining my eyebrows to see where I want to shave off. This will help you see the parts that challenge you while you're shaping your eyebrows, and you can clean that up using a razor blade. You will need to split your razor for flexibility. Use two fingers to hold the razor and use your thumb to bend it in the middle. Gently drag the blade in small strokes, following your outline. Repeat the process on the other side. And don't forget to clean up between the two brows. And there we go. Now it's time to draw your brows to your liking. I'm using a sharp brown pencil. You can use a black one if that's what you prefer. The lower line kind of sets the idea of how you want your eyebrows to look. Draw the upper line parallel to the lower one until you get to the bend. Then you can join them to make a tail. Next, you're going to fill in your brows before you repeat the process on the other brow. And remember to sharpen your pencil. I'm using LA Pro Concealer in the shade Tan. And for beginner, I would recommend using very little amount of product because it's easier to work with. Follow the outline first before you start pushing the product into the brow. Make sure you match the position of the upper band to the lower band. If you make a mistake, you can always go back in with a pencil. When you're done with the brows, it's time to blend. Use a brush to fade the inner edges so that they can appear more natural. Like and leave a comment if you like this video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video.